makes it easy for you to change your scheduling preferences for all the users in your system at once. In this video, I want to show you how to change your scheduling preferences globally for all users. Now to do this, you need to be logged in as an administrator, which I am. So I'm going to go to my Tools menu, and then at the bottom, I'm going to choose Preferences. Let's look at the Calendar and Activities tab, and from here I'm going to click Activity Preferences. First, let's choose an activity type, like a call, for example. Now I'm going to change the default settings that show up whenever you create a call activity. For priority, I'm going to change the default to low. For ring alarm, I'm going to change the default to 15 minutes, and the duration of a call, I'll change its default to 30 minutes. Now there are a few other preferences that I could manipulate down below, but I'm just going to leave it like this to demonstrate the global preferences. So I'm going to click OK, and now I'm going to click this Update button. If I hover over the I next to it, it tells me that this will apply to all users and save as the default for new users. Okay, so I'm going to click Update. Act tells me the update is complete, and so now we can test this out. I'm going to click OK one more time, and so now I'm going to log in as a different user and create a call activity for them. So let's open this database again, and this time I'm going to log in as Al. Okay, now I'm logged in as Al, so let's go to one of the contacts for Al, and I'm going to create a call activity. Notice that the defaults are updated to our selections. This call activity has a default duration of 30 minutes, a priority of low, and a ring alarm of 15 minutes. Now Al can change these defaults if he wants by going to the Preferences window, Calendar and Activities tab. Notice that the Update button is grayed out for Al because he's not an administrator. But if he wants, he can go in here and change these preferences to whatever he wants them to be. When he clicks OK in the Preferences window and now creates a new call activity, the new preferences that he's selected have held true. So you can see that in Act, it's easy for an administrator to manage scheduling preferences on a global scale for all users, but it's flexible enough for an individual user to change those settings again to whatever makes the most sense for them.